We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are making homemade cashew butter. We love spreading it onto toast, stirring into oatmeal, and spooning into the middle of dates. Start by toasting raw cashews in the oven until lightly golden. This adds an extra 10 minutes, but trust me, it's worth it. Yes, you can buy roasted cashews, but we don't find the flavor as good when compared to fresh roasted nuts. A food processor is best when making nut butters, although you might find that your blender works in its place, especially if it's a powerful one. Simply add the cashews to your food processor and turn it on. The nuts will go through a few stages. First, they look like powder, then they begin to release some oil, making the mixture clump together. Next, the cashews clump together so much that you might need to add a little oil to help them along. And finally, the cashews break down into a creamy butter. As always, the full recipe with ingredient amounts is on Inspired Taste. You can add any additional flavorings you love. I'm adding a little salt, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Honey or maple syrup is a nice idea too. Cashew butter should last for 3 to 4 weeks or possibly longer when stored in the fridge. And that's it. Creamy, luxurious cashew butter. For more tips and related recipes, be sure to check out the article on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.